Hello and welcome. This is Rahim Zulfikar Ali from Excel Basement Private Limited. Today in this video tutorial, there is something really great, awesome and exciting news for you, and that is by the Google. So finally Google has launched Google Career Certificates, and it says that job ready skills you can put to work. Now this is really awesome. So today is 11th March 2021, and you can see my Facebook account here. So I am on Google page. So just 4 hours ago they have posted a post, and they have mentioned a link here. So let me open this link, and what this post says is, so today we are officially launching 4 new Google Career Certificates to help job seekers prepare for in-demand jobs in high-paying fields. So that's great. And what are those 4 new Google Career Certificates? So first one is data analytics, UX design, project management, and then Android development. So let's explore. So I will just open this link, and here it is. So let's go through this link, and I will tell you that how to basically apply in this certification. So get professional level training from Google. So the first point is, it says that no experience necessary. You can learn at your own pace, stand out to employers, and a path to in-demand jobs. So under 10 hours, if you have that number of hours of per study week at your own pace with flexible timings, you can do it. And you can see that it says connect with top employers who are currently hiring, and that's the 63,600 average salary for entry level roles across certificate fields. Okay, so there are some certifications like IT support was already there. They have added 4 new domains, like the first one is data analytics, which is one of my most favorite parts. So I will be telling you about data analytics in more detail, that how to go to that course for enrollment. Whereas you can also explore if you have passion and interest on in the project management, UX design, or the Android development, right? So let's explore the data analytics. There are some FAQs available as well if you don't find anything, if you want to ask. So let me go through with few FAQs. What background knowledge is necessary? So it's none. This means that it starts from very basic, so anyone can join. So whether you are completely new to the field or have some exposure, a Google Career Certificate is the right program for you. Are the certificates really 100% online? So the certificates are completely online, so there is no need to show up in a classroom in person, right? So you can access the instructional videos and readings and assignments anywhere, anytime. Just you need a device and an internet connection, right? So what sources are available to help my job with job search? So free resources are available to certificate graduates, including the interview tips, mock interviews, and resume building workshops, plus career coaching sessions and more. How much do the Google Career Certificate cost? Now that's very important. So the IT support, user experience design, project management, and data analytics certificate cost $39 per month by subscription on Coursera. So it's $39 per month, and access to the Google Associate Android Developer Certification training is free, and the official exam fees is $149, which is paid. Now let me tell you that if you apply for the data analytics certificate, which cost you around $39 per month subscription by Coursera, Coursera also gives you financial aid as well. So if you apply for a financial aid, and once it approves, so your entire certifications will be free of cost. So although if you are able to pay, if you are a professional and if you are able to pay $39 per month, definitely I will encourage you to pay, because they have put a lot of efforts to make this happen, and definitely a big teams and all the efforts has been put to make you more awesome in your career. So definitely they deserve this. But if you are not able to pay $39 per month, so Coursera gives you an option to apply for a financial aid, and if that approve, so you will be lucky one to do the data analytics certificate for the next 6 months absolutely free. So this is $39 per month. You can multiply it by 6, so you will get an amount that how much it could be if you pay for the certificate, right? Alright, so let's get more into FAQs. How do I apply for financial assistance? So as I told you that there is a financial aid option available, and they have also provided that option, but there is a condition as well. So Google has funded around 100,000 scholarships for Google Career Certificates, which will be distributed by Grow with Google Partners and Google.org grantee will create a lasting impact in helping people and land high quality jobs in high growth fields. So you have to hurry because there are limited scholarships available which Google has funded. So do apply with the Coursera financial aid and click on enroll button, and then I hope that you will be able to get the financial aid, right? Otherwise you have to pay $39 per month, right? Okay, so let's get start with exploring the data analytics. It says that data analysts collect, transform and organize data in order to help make informed business decisions. So let's explore. So I will click on learn more, and it will open this Google Data Analytics certificate. Alright, so this entire course will be on Coursera, right? And this is says that no relevant experience required, 100% remote online learning. So under 10 hours study a week will give you a benefit if you have that 10 hours. And you can see that around average entry level salary in the data analytics is $67,900. That is, I think, annual. Okay, so you will learn what you will learn in this particular data analytics certificate, which is of entry level. So data types and structures, using data to solve problems, how to analyze data, data storytelling with visualizations, that's very important, and using R programming to supercharge your analysis. So R is also included in this particular data analytics certificate. Alright, so you can also explore FAQs as well about the Google Data Analytics certificate. So there is one question like what you will be teaching, R or Python. So it says that they will be teaching starting with R, and they will not cover the Python, but they will cover the R in this program. So there are a lot of FAQs available. You can go ahead and you can explore that about the financial assistance as well, right? So how to apply? Now you have to click on get started, and you will be redirected to Coursera.org, right, where you can see that this is the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate program of 6 months. Okay, and it says that enroll for free. That will be starting from 12th March. Financial aid available. So you can see that a hyperlink is available here for the financial aid, so you can apply for the financial aid, and you have to write an application. So first you have to get enrolled. Applications, it says that applications will take at least 15 days to get reviewed, so make sure that you hurry up because they have limited scholarships of only 100,000. Okay, so you have to click on enroll for free, and it says that start with free trial. Now one thing you will observe that I have already logged in to my account, so let me log out first, and then let me tell you the procedure that for the very first time how this screen will look like. So let me log out. Alright, okay, so when you click on enroll for free, so a dialog window will pop up of sign up, and if you are very new, you are using the name and email and then password, and then click on join for free. Or if you have already an account, or if you want to sign up with Google or Facebook, you can do that. I have already an account, so I will go for login, and I will write my email address and a password. Alright, so now I have been logged in, right? So you can see on top right side my account has been signed in successfully. So it says that you can have 7-day free trial, so unlimited access to all courses in the certificate, cancel at any time. So it says that $39 USD per month and a certificate when you complete. So I can start my free trial as well, or I can go for the financial aid. And when I click on financial aid, this window will appear, right? And I have to click on continue the application, where I have to fill all these form and the fields here. So once you complete this financial aid, it will take 15 days to make sure that they will decide that if you are eligible to get the financial aid, and you will be enrolled for free for this program. So I hope that you will start exploring this Google career certificates that will definitely change your career and to the next level. And especially I like the domain personally for the data analytics, so I have focused data analytics more in this particular video, right? So this is a very good initiative by the Google, right? So thank you.